Oh my word, guys, look what arrived. I can't wait for this unboxing. This is my second year ordering Hobonichi. It arrived in one of those big white paper bags, and I hope you don't mind, but I took the liberty of removing it from there. I just don't think it would actually fit in frame, and my address was on there. So that's what I've done, but I've been holding on to this order for 2 days, waiting for better weather because it's been raining here. And today it's not really much better. The rain stopped, but there's still a lot of clouds in the sky. Now and again the sun's popping through, but I mean, we don't have the best light, but it's not bad either. So I'm just gonna go for it and start unboxing. So the first thing that I ordered, or that I got this year, I didn't even notice these last year, but this is I think it's called the Anytime tote bag in petite. It's actually really small. I did expect it to be this small. I read the measurements and I realized that it's perfect for the A6, but in person I think I didn't really process it until I saw it, but I did expect it to be this size. I think it is very cute though. So let's see. I also think it's going to be able to expand quite a lot if I look at the bottom of it. Sorry for the noise. I'm just gonna get a scissors and I'm back. That was much easier. Oh my word, it is really cute. I love this tag that says Hobo, and I'm curious to see what it looks like on the inside. So there is a pocket here. Oh, it's very sweet. There is one pocket there, which I think like a cell phone or something would be able to fit in. And let's open it up. So it does open up actually quite a bit. And it's got these lovely flowers on that's embroidered on there. I love the texture of it, and this I read is in support of Ukraine, so that definitely made me want it even more. And then it's got like this little tassel here. I'm very glad that I got this. I might even next time when I order go for the bigger size. I think this will be cute to pop your Hobonichi in a few things if you want to go to the cafe or the park and do some planning or journaling. I think the bigger one would be nice for work if you want to pop in a few more things and you've got some files and planners that you need to carry around. But this is really sweet. I'm so glad I got this. If you've got any of these totes, the bigger size, let me know what you think. I'm quite curious. The bigger one looked quite big to me. That's why I initially didn't go for it. And I rather went for this one, but I think they're definitely worth it. So I wonder which box we're going to go into first. I'm thinking this one. So let's see. I love the color of this box. Okay, so let's have a look. Ooh. Okay, so this is the freebie that you get when you order a Hobonichi. I think it's the A6, the cousin. You don't get it with the weeks, and I'm not sure if, I think you get it with the 5-year as well. It's really cute. So it's a drawstring bag, and then you've got the date embossed on there. It's like a yellow goldish color. And then it's got this inscription. And I think on the website they did suggest with the preview party what you could use it for. I really like the suggestions. I'll leave the link down below if you'd like to read it. I think I'm going to put my 2023 Hobonichis in here at the end of the year to store them in. I think it's a really nice thing. I like it more than the spoon that we got last year. And then I also got the pencil pouch. I think it's called, it's not called a pencil pouch. I think it's called a drawer pouch. Oh my word, I'm terrible with these names, but it's basically a pencil case. And again, this is stunning. Look at the embroidery, the detail, and it just feels so nice. And again, it's got this tassel on the end. And you've got this, let me just maybe remove this box so we've got more space. So you've got this zip here where you can add supplies or pencils, and then also comes with these elastics to keep things in place. And then you have also these little pouches here. There's 3 of them. So I've seen people put washi and things in here, like washi samples or those Kita washi booklets. And obviously you can add some scissors there and things like that. So I really love this, and I think it's going to go so well with that tote that I got. It's also got a pocket here at the back, and the fabric is, it feels heavy duty. It feels really nice, a very good quality. And then this is also a freebie. Let me just move this a little bit more into frame. I sometimes feel that if there's a brightly colored thing, it's like the color shows up better, but I'm not sure if we're going to have any luck today. So this is a freebie pen. Again, if you order a Hobonichi, like any of the planners, you get this. Some people love it and some people hate this pen. I am definitely a lover of it. It's like a brown and a blue. I really love the color, and I also love using this pen. So for me, this is a keeper. Then I got a few extras. I got the refills for these pens. So I'm still using last year's one, and I'm scared the ink's going to run out. So I just got a black, a blue and a red, so I can still continue to use it. And then I also got these book darts, and this one is in silver, and it's just basically like a paper clip, just a little bit fancier. It can also be used as a bookmark though, so to hold your place. And you can get these in a tin or in these little leaflets, and I got it in these leaflets because I think this will work so well with slipping into the Hobonichi cover, where a tin is just going to take up so much space. And then I also got it in this gold color. And now that I'm thinking of it, it's also going to be able to fit in this drawer pouch, in one of these pouches. So I'm very glad that I took these on the paper and not in the tin. And then something else that I got is this cover on cover. I actually got two. I usually don't use these that much because I'll always get the like the Mina Perronin covers, and they usually recommend that you don't put a cover on. But last year for Christmas I did get a cover that I think needs one of these, so I ordered one. And then I thought, let me just get an extra one for in case I again later on decide to get another cover that needs one of these. I almost got the cover on cover this year that's got the print on. It's absolutely beautiful, but I did not end up getting it, and I don't know, I feel like I should have. So this is the cover that I'm using this year, and I've actually only been using it for the last 2-3 months. Previously I was using, I'll show you which cover I was using. So previously in the beginning of the year, for the first 6 months, I was using this cover. It was one from the Mina Perronin range, and they don't recommend you to put a cover on this one. So I mean, I took it out and I was careful with it, of course, but it's still nice and clean. I mean, I look after my things, but I'm also not like precious on them. If there is a very light stain, it's not the end of the world, but of course I am careful because I don't want it to stain. But I do not put cover on covers on these, but on this one I'll definitely will, since it's very light in colors. So I haven't taken this one out at all because I was scared of staining. So I'm so glad I got this cover on cover so I can place it in here and keep it nice and safe. So there we go, I've put the cover on and now it's nice and protected. I'm so glad I got this. Okay, so now we move on to the second box, which I think is going to have all the exciting things in. Yes. Okay, so one thing that I got is these A6 folders. And I'm planning to just tuck my stickers in there and anything else that I want to take with me on the go. And I've also seen people pop it in here at the back, which I think is really nice. Of course I'll have to take this out. So yes, that's going to be really nice, just tucking in a few things there, and it's safe, it won't fall out, and everything's just a bit more organized. So I got this set, and that's what it looks like at the back. This is an old set, I think it came in last year, so it's nothing new. And then of course I got the Hobonichi Avec, which I got last year and I love it. This is the original, so it's the A6, and I'm glad they went over to this packaging, which is paper. So I'm sure most of you will know that the Avec just means that it comes in 2 books, so January to June and July to December. And yes, it's pretty much the same as every year. So you've got a daily page and your monthlies, and then just this is just like a yearly calendar, and then your overview of each month. So yes, I really love these little ones, and I love having 2 planners because I always find myself in the middle of the year not using it as much, and then there's something about getting a new planner and changing out a cover or putting on a new cover, and it just gives you that motivation to keep planning or to keep journaling for the rest of the year. And then this is the exciting part, the cover, and this is the cover that I got. It's the Mina Perhonen cover. I don't know if it's Mina Perhonen or Mina Perhonen, but I think you know what I mean. I can't wait to feel it. Oh my word. It is really gorgeous. It's darker than what I thought it would be. On the pictures, I don't know why, but I thought this was more of a, not a white color, but like a cream, I don't know, but it's like a beige color. It's actually really, really nice. I was scared it's going to get dirty pretty quickly, but I think it will be fine. I do have that extra cover on cover if I really want to place it in there. I know they don't recommend you doing it. Sorry, my camera just stopped recording. But what I was saying is this is a beautiful cover. The flowers are embroidered on here, and it really feels nice in the hands. I absolutely love these covers every year. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And then you have your bookmarks. So I ended up getting a second cover from an eBay seller, and this is a cover that I saw I think last year, and I really wanted it, but the lottery already closed for it. So I kept my eye on the seller and she got some of these in, so I grabbed the opportunity and got a one-piece cover, which I'm so excited about. And I've already opened this actually up, so it's not going to be a big surprise, but I thought I'll just show you which covers I'm planning on using this year, if I can manage to open up the box. So I am completely in love with this. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time. I didn't like this year's as much as what I like this one. Isn't it gorgeous? So I love this piece here as well. I think this is my favorite part, and then I also love the front. All these fabrics go together so well, and on the inside that's what it looks like. And then of course we have the bookmarks. So let me get everything on the screen that I got. So this is everything that I got from Hobonichi. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!